What's up? Hola Chicos, what's up? So in today's video I will invite all of you to join my adventure today. Ooh, you can see behind me. Now it's just so many green things in this area. Ooh, and this too. So today I will make a video about I am and you exploring about nature, but this is not in the forest or mountain or beach because now I'm in my hometown. Of course I'm in the but first I'm sorry about my acne and my lips.
My lips is so dry.
Just ignore that.
And yeah, let's get started. Oops. Before that I have to change my clothes. Yeah. But my hair is kinda mess, so I have to tie my hair. Okay, my hair is okay. Now my hair is so good, not so good, but yeah, more good than before. So let's see about my foot. Feel wearing slippers and socks and my skirt uniform, so let's change. Okay, so now I just turn off my socks and now I am wearing my shirt. I'm not wearing skirt again. Ooh, this is so comfy, but what is this? I don't like this. What is this green things? Ooh, let's change. Ooh, very beautiful and bling bling. I like this. Ooh, this is my comfy zone, my comfy shoes, and I'm done with the slippers. Ooh, I like it. I like it. Let's go. Let's get into the adventure now. Okay, so now
I'm just walking with the little Sally walk. I go to the little forest here.
yes, with all the
The cat poop.
ew, that's so gross and disgusting. I know, but just ignore that. This is the forest and the sun. Where is the sun? That is the sun. Ooh, this is so good, so beautiful and so green and little walls here. I don't know.
I don't know why the walls is in the forest. Why walls can be here? Why walls can be in the forest?
Now I am in the mountain, the beautiful mountain. Ooh.
The mountain called Everest. Ooh. But now it's not winter, so there is no snow.
Just a green mountain with the sun. Ooh, ooh. So we're just gonna walk again. Oh, this is the beautiful flower, little orange flower. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, now we're walking again, and I am at the palm tree. Palm tree. It's not palm, but that's okay, cause it looks so similar. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Just walking again with my high heels, my favorite shoes ever, and my comfy shoes. Ooh, the most comfy one. It's so comfortable. But yeah. Oh, now look what I got. This is like Christmas tree, but no, that's not so good. This is the most good, like the real Christmas tree. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, Christmas tree. I can't wait for 2019 Christmas. That's gonna be so good. I'm sorry about my acne, my face, and
My ugly.
lips. I mean, my dry lips. So now where we gonna go? Oh, there is a beach. Beach. I'm coming, beach. I'm sorry. I mean not beach. I mean beach. But No, not this way, not this way. Oops, oops, I'm sorry, I'm gonna fall. My shoes is so comfortable, so I have to walk slowly, slowly, like turtle, you know. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Oh, there is a boat here, and this is the beach. So good. This is just me in here. Why people don't like nature? Like people don't like mountain, river, beach. Why? It's so beautiful. Like the sun is so good too. Where is the sun? I don't know. Where is the sun? Maybe sun is sleep. Like that. I look so good here. Like I just like Ariana Grande. Like that. Ooh. Guys, guys, look what I got in this beach. I got an ice cream. I got McFlurry here. Let's begin. Ooh, McFlurry. Ooh. Guys, I have something to tell to you. This is so amazing because my beautiful silver high heels to the red one. This is not too tall like before, but this is so pretty, more pretty than before, and I like it so much. I just the most sassy people here. Oops, 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 oops. Ooh, cause I bring my copper here, my bag here to change my clothes and my shoes. Ooh, this is so good. Like explore again what is in here, and this is summer, so this is so hot and so sunny and so bright. Like look at my hat. My hat is just shining because the sunshine and flash, not that I guess. But look at here. Oh. Oh my god, this is so good. I can't believe it. And I got new hair. Woo. Let's explore again. Forgot about my OOTD today to go to the nature. With these shoes. So that's it's my OOTD with my beautiful hair. Let me know, guys. I'm so good when my hair in the ponytail or just normal, like not in ponytail. I'm so tired. I'm so tired, so I just sit down here and turn off my shoes, my beautiful shoes, my beautiful high heels. Oh, my high heels is broke. I have to change the another one. Oh my god, guys, my shoes right now is so comfortable. The most comfortable shoes I bring here, and my favorite one. I feel in the Tokyo now. So good. Look at me. I'm so sassy, so cool, and so gorgeous. I'm so beautiful, and I'm the one here. Ooh, ooh. Are just so good in these shoes. Just walking and running here. That's all for today's video, for today's adventure. This is so hot, I can't believe it. I wanna die. I'm burning here.
Please help me.
I'm sorry guys, maybe this is bad, but I just have fun today, so just don't judge me. And this is my happiness. So cool. Ooh, 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 ooh. I like it. And I'm sorry about my English. My English is so good. Just don't judge me because I'm the good one and I am the best one. I'm the best. Professional. It's so good from head to toe. See? This is so good. Just don't judge me because this is hot and I'm burning here. Bye.